Hey everybody, welcome to today's art video. I'm sure you've seen from the title of this video, but today I'm drawing with my left hand, aka my non-dominant hand. I wish I could say that I decided to do this as a fun little exercise, but in reality I ended up doing it out of necessity. I had to get a drawing done to make an art video, but I was dealing with some weird nerve stuff in my right arm, like tingles and numbness in my ring and pinky finger, going up to my elbow and kind of up to my back. Sometimes my ulnar nerve, I think is how you pronounce it, aka the funny bone, it gets irritated and I just need to keep my arm straight as much as possible, avoid bending it because it's probably pinching somewhere in my elbow, and do stretches to relieve the nerve weirdness and pain, and eventually it gets better. For me, drawing causes quite a bit more irritation to that nerve whenever it's already irritated, so I thought that I'd try to draw with my other hand instead. And this is what came of it. I actually surprised myself with this piece. It was pretty tough to get the smooth lines that I'm used to being able to put down, and it was kind of hard to not go super into crazy detail like I like to do, and it was like a constant fight to keep from snatching the pen and just drawing with my right hand. But as I worked on it, I feel like it got easier. Maybe part of it is because I've been using this program for quite a while now, and I'm pretty familiar with the brushes, so I kind of knew that when I colored and shaded this, I could use a certain brush that would give me more of a painterly feel, which I feel like lends itself more to having a messier look, which was going to happen no matter what, because I was using my non-dominant hand. And for those of you who are curious as to what brush I'm using, for the sketch I just used one of the pencil brushes, I think the 6B, and then for coloring and shading I used the damp brush under the painting tab. I also did my trick of doing a bunch of different layers just in case I messed up too bad. I feel like that was more important on this piece because I feel like I didn't have as much control because my left hand doesn't do that kind of stuff. Because I don't really do anything with my left hand, so I don't really have great control with it. So breaking it up into a bunch of different layers as I painted really helped, I think. But yeah, that's about all there is to say about this piece. I'm gonna go off and do my stretches to try to curb this nerve pain. So now I'll just let the music play through to the end. And here it is, finished. I hope you guys enjoyed. If you did, please leave a like, subscribe, hit that notification bell, all of that good stuff. Thanks for checking out my video, and I'll see you later this week.